Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You cannot pair an Apple Watch directly to a Oneplus phone. The only viable route is to start with an iPhone. Borrow or use an iPhone, sign into your Apple ID, and open the Watch app. Once done, power on the watch, hold it near the iPhone, and follow the on-screen pairing animation. Make sure to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone and keep both devices close. This initial setup is mandatory. It creates the primary link the watch needs. After pairing, configure the watch for standalone operation so it can work apart from the iPhone. Set up cellular if available, update to the latest watch OS, and install the apps you want on the watch itself. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and location services and confirm iCloud data sync for health and backups. These steps let the watch handle calls, messages, and fitness tracking on its own when the iPhone isn't nearby. Make sure automatic updates are enabled to keep features stable. Finally, you can use the Apple Watch alongside your Oneplus, but remember it never pairs to Android. You rely on the watch's standalone capabilities. If the watch has cellular or reliable Wi-Fi, it will receive calls and messages independently. Otherwise, keep the iPhone nearby. Once done, sign out of the iPhone only if you're confident the watch functions alone. If something goes wrong, repair to the iPhone, install the latest updates, or contact Apple support. Those steps resolve most setup and connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.